Hi, I'm Kevin Denich. I'm with Rusty Dring Auto Glass. I'm the auto glass expert for all 4 of the Rusty Dring dealerships. Rusty Dring Auto Glass is based out of Jefferson City at the Rusty Dring Collision Center, but we can actually pick up your car anywhere. We can come to you. We can drop your car back off to you. We're here to make this as easy for you as humanly possible. So essentially, we're going to leave you with no excuses to get that chip repair or that windshield replacement taken care of before this winter. I've got 11 years of auto glass experience. I started this journey at Marks Mold Glass until it led me to taking on this task with Rusty himself to start the Rusty Dring Auto Glass. If you need anything, just give me a call at 573-691-9985.